Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will explore practical and effective saving hacks that can help you increase your savings and achieve your financial goals. Saving money is an essential component of financial success, and by implementing these hacks, you can make significant progress toward building a healthy financial future. Join us as we dive into various saving hacks that are easy to implement and can have a lasting impact on your financial well-being. Number 1. Track your expenses. One of the first steps to saving money is understanding where your money is going. Track your expenses meticulously, either manually or by using budgeting apps. By identifying your spending patterns, you can uncover areas where you can cut back and save. Number 2. Create a budget. A budget is a powerful tool that helps you allocate your income toward your priorities. Set aside a specific amount for essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries, and then allocate a portion towards savings and financial goals. Creating a budget ensures that your money is being used wisely and helps you stay on track with your saving targets. Number 3. Automate your savings. Automating your savings is a smart way to consistently set aside money without the temptation to spend it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account or investment account. This way, a portion of your income is saved before you even have a chance to spend it. Number 4. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Review your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. This could include reducing dining out, limiting entertainment expenses, or finding more affordable alternatives for services and subscriptions. By consciously reducing unnecessary expenses, you can free up more money to save. Number 5. Embrace the 30-day rule. Before making a non-essential purchase, implement the 30-day rule. Wait for 30 days and evaluate whether the purchase is still necessary or if it was just an impulse buy. This rule helps you avoid impulsive spending and encourages more intentional purchases. Number 6. Take advantage of cashback and rewards. When making purchases, consider using cashback or rewards credit cards. These cards allow you to earn cashback or rewards points on your everyday expenses. Just be sure to pay off your credit card balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Number 7. Plan your meals and reduce food waste. Meal planning is an effective way to save money on groceries and reduce food waste. Create a weekly meal plan, make a shopping list, and stick to it. This prevents you from buying unnecessary items and helps you utilize ingredients efficiently. Number 8. DIY and repurpose. Embrace your creative side and try do-it-yourself, DIY, projects or repurpose items instead of buying new ones. Whether it's repairing clothes, repurposing furniture, or making homemade gifts, DIY projects can save you money and add a personal touch to your life. Number 9. Negotiate and compare the shop. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices, especially for big-ticket items or services. Research prices, compare different options, and negotiate for better deals. You'd be surprised how much money you can save by simply asking. Number 10. Prioritize quality over quantity. When making purchases, prioritize quality over quantity. Investing in durable and high-quality items may initially cost more, but they tend to last longer, saving you money in the long run. Avoid falling into the trap of buying cheap, low-quality items that need frequent replacements. Number 11. Use energy-saving strategies. Implement energy-saving strategies to reduce utility bills. Switch to energy-efficient appliances, use LED light bulbs, turn off lights when not in use, adjust thermostat settings, and unplug electronics when not in use. These small changes can result in significant savings over time. Number 12. Review insurance and subscription costs. Regularly review your insurance policies and subscription services to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Shop around for insurance quotes and consider bundling policies for potential discounts. Evaluate your subscription services and cancel those you no longer use or need. Number 13. Plan and save for big purchases. If you have a major purchase in mind, such as a vacation or a new car, plan and start saving for it in advance. By setting specific savings goals and allocating a portion of your income towards these goals, you can avoid relying on credit and save money on interest payments. Number 14. Explore free or low-cost entertainment. Entertainment expenses can add up quickly. Look for free or low-cost alternatives such as community events, public libraries, local parks, and online resources. You can still enjoy quality entertainment without breaking the bank. Number 15. Stay motivated and celebrate milestones. Saving money can sometimes feel challenging, but staying motivated is key to long-term success. Set milestones along your savings journey and celebrate each milestone reached. This can be a great source of motivation to continue saving and building financial security. Saving money doesn't have to be overwhelming or restrictive. By implementing these saving hacks, you can make significant progress towards your financial goals while still enjoying a fulfilling life. Remember, every small step you take towards saving adds up over time and puts you on the path to financial stability and success. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Stay tuned for more insightful content on personal finance, budgeting, and strategies for achieving financial well-being.